Hey guys, how's it going? How to send timed photos on Telegram. So simple as that, just go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the Telegram app and double check if your Telegram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. It's very crucial that you do that step before you apply the following steps that I'm gonna tell you about. Let me open up the Telegram app, and as you can see, this is the home page. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to any chats, right, or the chats that you want to send the photo to. Let's have an example, Austin, right? And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the attachment at the below left corner. You're gonna find it, and as you can see, you will see the camera and everything. Just go ahead right here and select photo. I'm gonna select this photo, right? And now if you want to crop it, edit it, whatever, you can just do that on your own time, you know. In my case, I'm gonna just discard the changes right here. If you want to enhance the photo quality or something like that, just go ahead and apply the settings. And here you're gonna be able, next to the caption, you're gonna see number one, right? Click on it, and that basically will tell you how long that you want to keep that photo to, right? How long should you post that photo? Like 3 seconds, for 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or view once. View once means that the other person who sees that photo will be able to see it once. So if you click view once, which is something actually I generally do. So basically, just go ahead and select view once, hit the send, and basically the person will be able to see that photo once. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.